What's up YouTube, this your girl Ashley back with another video, and today you guys we are cooking fried fish and shrimp with hush puppies. We got the fish off of the lake with my husband and my son went fishing. As you can see right here, these are the seasonings that daddy is using, and yes, your girl is using a Winn-Dixie bag to shake her fish up in. I told y'all my channel is 100% real, and this is how we really do it. We have Vanderay crawfish and crab boil that he is putting on the seasoning with the fish. There is our fish fry, and he added some pepper, and we're going to give it a little shake, shake, shake. Listen, you guys, like I told you, my channel is 100% real. We are not sugarcoating over here. We use a Walmart bag to shake our stuff. We have the grease preheated already. Daddy is showing you that fish. It was a bass. It was a big bass that he caught Sunday on the lake. He's so proud of his fish. He's showing you all the pieces. There's the fish in the grease. Okay, so now daddy is finishing up cooking the fish. You guys, we normally don't eat, well, I normally don't eat fish with bones in it, but I could not wait to eat this. He's gonna be pulling the fish out really soon. Okay, there he goes. He pulled out the fish. He fried the hush puppies and the shrimp prior to the fish going in. He's not one to get on the video a lot, so we just kind of did really, really quick. But you guys, the point of this video was that we are trying to beat inflation in 2022. So this was another poor mom's meal. Only thing I paid for was the shrimp, and this is my third time. Okay, so this is my third time using the same bag of shrimp. I paid $14.99 for it, and I think we used it. This is my third time, I believe. And the hush puppies, you know, those are very cheap at Walmart. You guys see my baby looking at the, like, mama feed me, girl. And she looked back at the food. My baby was hungry. What's up, you guys? My video just ended. I hope you guys like my content of my husband frying fish and shrimp and hush puppies. You guys, we got the fish for free. My husband caught it with my son out when they went on their fishing trip. The shrimp I've used about 3 or 4 times out of the bag. I have purchased the bag from Aldi for $14.99. So you guys do the math in your heads, because I'm not gonna break it down like that. And the hush puppies I probably had for like a good month or 2, and I have not used them yet, so I decided to just go ahead and rip the bag open. And they cost, believe me, I'm cheap, so it was like $2. I'm very, very cheap. I just want to say this real quick. I was thinking in my head, like, not doing YouTube no more. Not like, I was just contemplating, like, is this worth it? Is it, you know, I went through so much to get to where I'm at right now, which is monetized, but is it worth it? And this morning when I got on the bus, because I take the bus to work because transportation, like, gas is very, very high right now. Just baby food on my shirt. Gas is high, so I take the city bus to work. And there was a dad on the bus, and he was like in tears, and he was just telling another lady how he can't afford food for his family. He's taking care of his son, who is like 20-something years old. He's taking care of his sick mom. She's elderly. She doesn't get a check. The son doesn't want to work. He has a wife. He has other children, and it's a struggle for him to put food on the table. He is making $15 an hour, and he asked the job for a raise, and they deny him on his raise. He says he has to work overtime every week just to like make the bare minimum. And then the lady asked him, why you don't go to a food bank? And he said, by the time I get off work, the food banks are closed, you know. So, and I never got up to the guy and was like, look at my channel, I teach people how to do budget shopping. I didn't get up and say that. Part of me wanted to, but part of me was like, girl, this is not the time. You know, it's a time and a place for everything. So what was I saying? So I just listened, and I believe that was like a message from God, because I wanted to give up so bad. But that message was just like, girl, your channel can bring people so much light. Your channel can bring people so much information. You were teaching people things that they probably weren't even taught as a child. These are things that we don't learn in school. How to budget, how to shop friendly, how to take that dollar and stretch it. So girl, don't give up on yourself. Do this channel. People need a channel like yours. So after receiving that message, you guys, I am going to just rock this thing out. I don't care if I get 1 view on a video. I'm still going to make my videos. I don't care if I never get another subscriber. I'm just going to keep on pushing, 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 because I know eventually people are going to appreciate what I'm doing. I kind of get so caught up on the numbers and so caught up on the numbers that I forget, like, you are doing this to help other people. Let's not think about the numbers. The numbers will come. So you guys, I'm not going to give up. But I just want to tell everybody, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. I'm here, you guys, and I'm going to do the thing. I'm going to be bringing more videos inside the grocery store. I was having a problem with recording because of copyright issues, but my friend who also does YouTube was like, girl, just record and then voice over when you get home. So I practiced voice over in this video I did today. You guys comment down below and tell me how I did in my voiceover. For me, voiceovers are really, really hard, so I got to keep practicing. But yeah, comment down below and tell me how I did in my voiceover. I'm going to be bringing you more content from inside the grocery store. And I hope you guys enjoy. I really, really do. Because I'm bringing, I'm trying to bring information that will be helpful. You guys comment down below if there's any store you want me to go into. If there's any recipe you want me to try to keep under $10, I'm here for you, okay? What else? You guys tune into my lives Monday through Friday from 7:20 to 7:30. I'm going to be trying to do a lunch and me live 2 around 1:40, 2 o'clock, something like that, depending on how busy we are at the job. But you guys, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my videos. I appreciate it. You guys don't know how much. Anyways, you guys, until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.